before we went to Taipei, we already booked our accommodation through AirBnb and Taipei Unlimited Funpass through Klook, which includes free admission to top 16 amazing tourist spots and unlimited rides to MRT and buses around the city.
Called out your name, but there was no answer. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. My heart is a ghost town.
Thing that you must do when visiting Taipei is to climb up the Elephant Mountain. The view here is magical. You can see the towering Taipei 101 and the skyline covered by the forest.
My heart is a ghost town. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you.
The main building of Chiang Kai-shek Shilin residence was where Chiang Kai-shek and his wife lived for 26 years. It is a record of how they lived and has been played an important role at key points in history. Entering the residence, visitors can see how the late presidents held family get-togethers, received guests, and lived day-to-day.
And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you.
The Palace Museum is located at Waishangshe in Taipei, surrounded by hills and greenery. It has over 690,000 pieces of Asian Chinese artworks covering 8,000 years of history. That's why the museum is one of the greatest in the world.
And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
Taipei Zoo has various resources displayed in the outdoor and indoor exhibits. The zoo displays lots of animals including the rare and precious species of swinehorse, pheasant, and cicadere, and the popular animals such as panda, koala, and penguin. This is the attraction worth of visiting.
Hornbill Papa? Papa!
The observatory is on Taipei 101, 89th floor. After taking the high-speed elevator, one of the 12 most stunning elevators in the world, travelers can enjoy a 30-60 degrees panoramic view of Taipei, from the numerous tall buildings to the mountains that surrounds the city. The Observatory is the best spot to view this great city. The Miramar Entertainment Park Ferris wheel. Countless people have enjoyed a bird's eye view of Taipei by taking a ride on Miramar Entertainment Park's huge Ferris wheel, and many couples have recreated romantic scenes from TV idol dramas. This video very informative for your upcoming Taiwan trip. Please give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.